Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap as well as the US dollar index forecast for the next week. So let's get started. First, the trades taken last week. What the heck is that? Oh no, this one, okay. This one. All right, so Euro USD on the 15th, Sunday market started. And you can see here the long 60 pip. My setup is like yellow has to be above the black. This indicates all the way down, going up. This red candle turns blue, and price must be making higher low. Higher low means this low is higher than last low. And you can see buy order here, SL move to break even. That's how all of my trades with this setup. Nothing is without this setup. On the 16th, there was nothing. On the 17th, pound yen from here to there, 320 pip. By the way, this is not a 20-minute chart. It is higher time frame. I think it's like a 30-minute. All right. So I had to do it because my entry was a little late on the 20-minute. So here on the USD yen, this is what happened. Right. So pound yen, also this happens. So when you make a higher time frame, this you don't see this. Anyway, so 180 pip here from this entry, and it moved was so fast I couldn't even come sit on a break even, right? So it went boom, up, down, up, and then up, and then 180 pip when it was more than like 250, more than 250 when it was here. But by the time I try to close, it was dropping fast. It's still 180 pip. And here you can see pound Aussie on the 18th, 150 pip. This was the entry. My SL hit at break even, and then this one gone for 150 pip. Here, pound cat from here, the entry. See this entry late, a little bit late. So I had few late entries last week. That's why. Right. So but it still came out with 150 pip, even the late entry, right? It was like 20, 25 pip late, no big deal. Okay, on the 18th, crude oil from here, beautiful by the book entry, and went down from 80.50 to 78.50. And here, this is, you can see Euro CAD buy gone with the wind for 70 pip. Here, pound yen again for 130 pip on Friday, the 20th, and pound USD yen for 150 pip from here. That it not only this one, but it gave this beautiful entry, right? But I was in, so I don't take 2 entries or 3 entries, just 1 entry at a time. That's it. 1 pair, 1 entry. Euro Aussie short here for 50 pip, and pound Aussie here for 80 pip short. And these are, most of these trades I post on the Telegram, like pound Aussie making a short right there, 80 pip. EA you just saw making a short, that's 50 pip. UJ for 150 pip, right? So most of these trades are gone my way, and big trades. Now let's go take a look at US dollar index. I want to show you a few charts. For example, this one. This is a weekly chart I made on 15th October that when the US dollar index was here all the way, and it's supposed to drop here, right? My first, you see 3 trend lines. First target is this, the second trend line, the third trend line. Right, so 3 targets. The final target was the trend line. And also, similarly, at the same time, I made this monthly chart as well, showing that we're going to drop here, and then later on, more to the downside, more specific is on the weekly chart, right? 3 targets, right? And the final target was 0698. Where the heck is that? 04, yeah, right there. It's just going a little bit more. This high was the final target. So what really happened to this US dollar index so far, weekly chart, we're going to look at it. So it went down here, took this one out, took this one out, it bounced a little bit, but broke below, and then finally, the last TL and that target, 0698. Right? It reached the target. This was my final target, because I think that after this is going to retrace. So last Friday, we ended up here. This is the chart I made just a little while ago, 21st January today, Saturday. And this is how it is. And this is how we're going to open the week. right? So my take is that it's gonna bounce from here, even though data is weak, this and that, blah blah blah. Yeah, but I'm the one who predicted that it's gonna drop exactly from here, right, when it was going powerfully to the upside. But yeah, it dropped, and now I think that it's gonna retrace maybe 23% line or 38% line or one of these level, 1247, 1226, sorry, 1426, 1478, 1423, one of these level, or maybe we'll go back up here 1753 before coming down again one more time, and it will be coming down to this TL, outside TL, right? It will go up here, and then it will come down here to 0219 or this area 0056, right? So this is these not only that, but you see 0219 right there, 0219 at 0129. These are the two highs. But I think before coming here, we're gonna go up here a little bit and then come down, right? That's my first preference. The second is obviously is gonna just break this thing and then straight come down here, right? Or even to the outer TL, the trend line, right? This rising trend line, blue trend line. So that is the second possibility. But the first, I think that it should go up a little bit and then come down. Now on an 80-minute chart, this is how my 80-minute chart count, the Elliott wave count. It's like 1, 2, and this whole thing is wave 3. Out of that, it's like 1, 2, 3, side wave A, B, C, 4, and 5. If this is wave 3 ending, and then we have to go for wave 4 to the upside, just like I showed on a weekly, it's gonna go up a little bit to 38% of this drop, or around like this is what is 1478, and 1253 is this. So either this area or this area, and after that, it's gonna drop big time for the outer TL on the monthly chart, which is this. Right, so it might go up here, one of these level, and then drop to 0219, 0129, finally. So it's going to be like A, B, C kind of correction. That's my first preference, is that it's going to go up and then come down, but market can do anything it wants. And the second scenario is that it's just probably going to straight break it to the downside. If that's so, then, we will trade accordingly. But what happened if it bounced, then USD going to get strong, and this will happen. These four pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD will go down, and USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc will go up. Now, with this little bit up move, and then Yen weakness, of course, I already have 150 pip in UJ, right? So you saw that one. That's what it is. I mean, you see, it's not going up because again, the oil problem, right? Oil is getting expensive, and because of that, CAD is oil is getting weaker, cheaper, right? You saw my oil trade went down, so CAD gets hurt, and then instead of this thing is gonna go up now. UC didn't go much to the upside, but probably is gonna go up soon. But let's see what happens because of the oil, Canadian dollar fluctuating. But regardless, this is what it is. If US dollar goes up, this will happen. So get ready. I'm using my system, the one I just showed you, that this is how I take. I have to have the setup, short setup or long setup. For example, like this, the long setup, like this one. You see the price goes up, comes down here. This is a perfect by the book setup. This is how I need my long setup, and then short is just the opposite. All right. So manage yourself accordingly. And similarly, I have all the index charts. Pound index is also making a very nice setup. Yen index is getting ready to go up, and all yen pair might be going to the upside. So I have all the charts and everything ready. If you need those charts, and if you need to learn how to do this and that, then you need to go to my website here, subscribe, either monthly subscription, or if you need to learn everything, sign up for one-on-one. And I still have some more spots left, so I can take a few more students. And this is it. So today, Saturday, I'm making some new charts and new trade setup charts for my subscribers, and hopefully I'll be delivering those before Sunday evening. So yeah, I just wanted to share you guys with these my trades, and US dollar forecast is very important. It's at the edge and it's ready to bounce. If it is going to bounce, it is going to bounce right exactly where I am showing you that this is where it's going to bounce. It already did. It's like a kind of like a hammer here at very, very big number, very big level. 0698 is right there, right there. This is the one. After a big move to the upside, it will drop here. So this is a big number. This is a big number, right? So right now, this is the one. We're going to bounce. We go back. Maybe we just go back to 1026 and then drop. Who knows? But we are going to bounce from here. I have a more than 95% feeling that we're going to be bouncing from here. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend. And please, if you want my videos to come to you quickly, fast, as soon as I upload, then subscribe the channel, like the video, subscribe the channel, so you'll get it fast as soon as I upload. So because I sometimes make the video with a very short time span and with the setups, and that should be like playing out in a few hours, right? So if you watch my trade, my video, after that time, it's no good, right? So setups are already played out, then it's not good. So just go ahead and subscribe the channel and like the video, and then you will get it immediately. I don't know how it works, but this is what it is. Some bell icon you need to press, whatever. All right. So yeah. So this is it for now. Don't want to take your time. It's Saturday. I need to get out of the house and with my family too. So bye for now, and hopefully talk to you guys later.